their wings.
Let me look at the button as well. Maybe.
We're just on our way to the abandoned mansion. So I'm joined by Whatnot Tog.
Hello.
Visual Motion and Moments Photography.
Hello.
So hopefully we'll all get past the security and into the building. So if we're successful, that's the next video you're going to see.
Oh, you need to step over.
Don't be sarky.
What?
You're being sarcastic now.
Oh, there's a bridge.
So the house is over that way, so if we walk down and then around,
Bushes down there, man. Like you can see, like, grass, cut grass, so I don't think it's far.
yeah.
Tree branch.
Right, so my battery died and it cut out halfway through, and we were walking at I'm on the light. I was wondering why is there a shadow? My battery died. We were walking up the mountain thingamabobber, and I didn't want to change my battery because there's a time and place. We've just got onto the path now, and the time is 9:45. So it's taken us hour and a half to get from the house, the abandon, to here. And avoid security. I didn't catch that on here either, I don't think, but
we literally like different van. It's footage of us running.
yeah,
I got the footage.
yeah.
There'll be footage of
So,
us running somewhere.
Check out RP Imaging for that video.
Yeah.
But yeah, we didn't manage to get inside. Ways we thought we could get in have either been boarded up or it's just, yeah, it wasn't possible. But yeah, I think I'm still going to upload this video anyway, just to show you the adventure we had. But yeah, a bit of a shame we didn't get in, but hey ho.
Better luck next time.
Exactly.
What's the point? You're in the house.
Right, thank you for watching. I think we're going to go for a McDonald's now.
My legs
No,
Don't know if
I
you can
went
see.
off because I wanted to
are
try and know
absolutely
where I was
battered and
going,
bruised.
Yeah. So I can obviously.
Do you know what, when you said bubbles, all I could think of was, I'm forever blowing bubbles.
Yes. Yeah.
Pretty bubbles in the air.
But at least we're laughing at the end of this explore.
I know.
I
That
mean,
was the
yeah.
most stressful thing I've done in a while.
Yeah.
Not the abandoned stuff, the
No, the
walking
abandoned
there,
stuff was fine.
getting back.
It was getting through the tree line.
Because even the security
Can
rocking
you
up,
shine your
that
landsy down? I can't see the path.
because even with the security rocking up, that was the buzz, that was
Yeah.
stress, but that's understandable stress, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I never expected us to do break grills.
No.
No on me. And do
Shout
stuff
out
like
to
that.
Logan or Visual Motion.
Yeah,
Came
shout out to
to our
Visual
rescue.
Motion.
If you haven't given him a follow, go give him a follow. He's the one.
Yes.
Yeah. He's been our OG today.
Yes. I know in the last video I said it was my last one, but this is my official last video. So like, comment, subscribe.
Yep.
If I
You've
post
been on a
this to
mission.
TikTok, then give me a follow, like, and also comment and share. But yeah, thank you for watching. That's if I even post it. Hey ho!
Bye.